right, this is a rebuttal video. Are you pouring grease down your drain? Let me explain. Right, I have another video with 70,000 views now. A lot of controversy on there. People telling me do not pour grease down your drains. Let me explain what is pouring grease down your drains. What is this? Let's define that. Last night's dinner, chili. There's chili in the pan, there's chili in the bowl. Now I know a lot of you have modern day dishwashers. I do not. We do dishes by hand. But with a modern day dishwasher, correct me if I'm wrong, can't these go directly in the dishwasher just as they are? And I know the answer is yes, but go ahead, tell me if I'm wrong. All right, load these in your dishwasher. This is grease. This is all grease going to end up in your drains. So you're pouring grease down the drain. Others suggest that you be the perfectionist. You take the paper towel, you wipe the grease. Now here's my cast iron skillet, which you don't wash these, but this little film of grease, you could wipe this out with a paper towel. But still, nonetheless, if you're using a more modern pan and there's a film of grease in this, after you wipe it and throw it in the trash with the paper towel, there's still going to be a light film. Yes, you're pouring grease down your drain. My other video, we'll link this back to the other video where I'm told that I'm telling people to pour grease down their drain. No, I'm not. I'm suggesting that you are unintentionally putting grease in your drains, and my method of pure hot water, natural, organic, all right? On a regular basis, run your hot water, just the hot water side only. And you might want to turn your tank up if it's not good and hot. Turn your tank up a little hotter and run that for 5 to 10 minutes. And what you will do is you will help stop long-term buildup of grease from this. Because are you going to wipe all of these out? This was a freezer container of chili. That's grease. Are you going to wipe that completely out? Are you going to be that fanatical? That is grease. No, you're not. Most people are not going to do that. So this hot water method used on a regular basis will help stop the buildup. And that's what my video intended to say. I didn't explain it very well last time. So this is a rebuttal. Thank you for joining us. Hey, if you like the video, subscribe. Join me. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, another bonus tip. Hey, if you've got a bathroom in your house that you're not using and you can smell a funky odor in the bathroom, it's because you're not using the bathroom. Go dump a quart of water in the drain. The P trap is dry. All right, bonus tip for the day. All right, man, keep them growing. If you want, come join us for growing big, giant pumpkins. Hang out with my grandson's fishing trips. And also. All right, Jackson, I love it. I love it. Hold on, don't let it go. Bubba's Home Fix-It Tips. Please join us. Keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. Jack and Bubba are sharing videos around the world.